We've managed to sneak in again. We've managed to sneak in again. Yep. Yeah. Woo! No. Yeah. Okay, a fast track on this smile is actually incredibly good. Yeah, we're back in this room. Last time leaving the Smiler. Listen in a second if you keep this up. Like, my head's funny. Whoa! A Smiler, a marmalade shop. What am I? La 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 la. What is it? Is this like the fifth or fourth time? Fifth. Okay. The Smiler thing closed, by the way. Good thing I got know that. Fifth time in a row.
Well, I got the target for that.
La la.
3 people in front of us.
Yeah. Wow. My plan was to get one in the morning and one in the afternoon, and Nemesis V1 in the middle. I haven't rode Nemesis V1 yet today, but Smiler for 5 times in a row. All like basically, yeah, kind of all on different things. Yeah, no, I think with front. I don't know what order we did it. My head's light. I'm dizzy. Life is good. The Smiler. Join us. Yeah. Maybe. I'm really pushing my limits here. Like, I haven't. If I can do Smiler 5 times in a row, I can definitely do Vulture Liver at Europe Park. Join us. 5th time in a row, Smiler. Picture of what? No. 5th time in a row, Smiler. We're getting on. That flashes, by the way, I just realised.
Do you not see me on the road?
Spinball Whizzer. I rode that the first day I got here, the Monday. Now it's closed. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. You can't really see anything. Oh. Whoa, that shows nothing. Oktoberfest construction, I guess. Yeah, just.
But then,
Wow.
yeah, it was single wire yesterday.
Coming up on this now. Is there any construction? Maybe. Yes, there is actually.
You going on this?
Goes down there.
What a load of shit that is.
There's like shop maintenance, no? That's why I
Nope,
do suggest
not maintenance. They're installing a single rider, like
okay, well-
like Smiler.
So they shut it
As-
before the park closes for the...
No, they're shutting. Yeah, they're shutting for the.
Yeah, but it shuts in October. Why not just keep it running till...
It's probably for Scarefest because it ends construction on the 9th.
Oh,
Hopefully.
They're shutting it for a few days and then it.
Yeah, they're installing a whole new queue. Oktoberfest. So I'm assuming it's going to be like all the other ones. So use your imagination. I don't know. Yeah.
Yes or no? You want to go in there? Okay.
After this, we'll probably leave.
No, after this we're going to head to Pizza Pasta.
Oh yeah, true.
What about you? I'm hungry now, so I'll take
Oh yeah,
one.
same. I'm lightheaded.
I'll post it in here that he likes and then we'll go on.
Down in the babies ride, so...
How dare you disrespect the Octonauts ride? The
Come on!
So this was a surprise. The Octonauts ride is... I don't know. Yeah, I don't really know. That must have gone up this morning then. Oh wait, hold a minute. Oh yeah, makeover. Okay.
Training with GoGen Academy for explorers on a global.
Come on, Leo.
Yeah. Oh, that's still going. Yeah. We're in the queue line anyway, so might as well. That over there. Yeah. I don't think there's anything else over that way, but yeah. Update on this, there's vehicles now. Yeah, I found out why it was taking so long. There's only 4 bugs on the track. So I can't really blame him. Oh, they stopped turning the thing. Never mind. Just us saying that. Yeah. We're on the Octonauts. No, we're on the thing right. We're on the thing right now. Oh, we're just picking up speed. That's the Octonauts ride over there. Getting a repaint.
But now it's time to wake them up.
Yeah.
Get set, go!
For reasons I cannot say, I got get in trouble by my mum. I cannot record for construction of that. But basically, they're redoing the station, and up where the access passes, they're just doing it like a straight line. And I'm assuming that where it's. But they're like redoing the station and everything as well. There's like quite a few things being done. And I don't know if they're going to do the ground as well. I can't really see them too much being bothered. Because like Merlin does like to do just the bare minimum with theming like this. Well, not theming, but like re-theming. Yeah, but that's what I saw. Hopefully I can find an image of it, or someone's already signed, cause like, yeah, sorry guys, that was my fault. But yeah, see ya. So yeah, this is getting knocked down. But not getting knocked down, it has been knocked down. The hell? Absolutely no idea what happened there. I assume they're just getting ready for Oktoberfest. But like, yeah. Behind the shop, then yeah, something on the horizon as John Wardley lifts up his RMC cup. Exactly the same as last time. There's like nothing new. But since this is the last day here and we're going past it, might as well document it. Oh, also, this is no longer red. This used to be red. Last time I came. Boom. Project Horizon. So we don't even know the name of it yet. Yeah, look, apparently my train's closed, and yes, there's staff members outside it. I can't see a train going on. Yeah, what the hell's happening today? So many rides are shut. For strange reasons. Yeah, let's go and pizza pasta, because, like, I'm hella hungry. Bye, guys. Mine train is on, and there's no queue. The only queue is right over there. Like, the queue starts at the thing there. It's a 3-minute wait right now, but that's a complete lie, really. Because it's basically a walk. It's a walk-on because there's so many things not filled yet. I think they just reopened it, even though we're still running. But yeah, there's that, I guess. Scare mazes over there. Okay, no. Yeah, I'm gonna go construction on this. Scare maze. Yeah. I wanna say Alton, but I know I'll get killed if I get it wrong, so forget I said that. Yeah, go. Oh, wait a second. Wow. Man, that guy is looking at me funny. He shut the gates. Good thing I got that on camera. Okay. Don't think there's anything. Oh, there's a weird thing there. You guys might know other than me. I think it's just, and I have no idea what is inside it, but yeah. Okay, fair enough. I can't really see anything different in the inside. Yeah. Okay, last second thing, but I guess we're up. There's Emily Alton, I guess. Oh my, it's more like a restaurant like that. Emily Alton walking with the phalanx. Oh. Anyways, yeah, we're about to go on. See ya. Well, because the Alton Manor was like empty. I think there was like people behind us, like every single car in front of us, to the point where you can see was just completely empty. Yeah, I have a goofy art from photo I might pop on screen, and we just bored as hell with the reddest of lips, but yeah, because all the time was incredibly empty, and yeah. A smiling advocate in the phalanx facility. How did this happen? Yeah, but this has only 5 minutes, so we're just gonna do this. Still on my Smiler stuff. No. But it has got a ride to it. The thing. Okay, Nemesis is working. I just saw it. Nemesis Reborn is back open. That's nice. Fan. Pretty sure this has stayed the same except for a few theme pieces. Where's Ripsaw? Galactica over there. Yeah. Oh, there's the gun. Oh yeah, they have added new theming pieces, kind of. They added wires to the gun. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Wow, great theming. Just watch an update video. I'm pretty sure that got done before I got here anyway, so that's fine. Okay, it could close in 12 minutes. We just ridden Subterra. Now we're gonna go on Nemesis Reborn.
Right, got the card as well.
Yep, got the card and that as well. I just lost the thing. Not lost it. Yep, she's still awake. And then yeah, we go down that way.
Go.
Right, see you guys. We gotta run. I'm running! I literally ran past it. There you go.